If you're having problems sleeping, I want you to try my top 5 hacks that you can try tonight in order to get a better sleep. I'm Dr. Matthew Posa, chiropractor in Milton, Ontario, Canada. This page is dedicated to people and families looking to achieve better health through tips and tricks right here on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this information because I know it's going to help a ton of people. One of the things I've noticed throughout my entire career is the top thing that most people are complaining about is sleep. So many people are not getting good sleep. Either they're not staying asleep all night, they have problems getting to sleep, or on the other end, they just can't stay asleep long enough that they feel rested or good in the morning with the tossing and turning. So if this is you, listen to these top 5 hacks that you can do tonight, including my last one, which is a neck exercise that usually gets people to sleep within 10 to 20 minutes after doing the exercises the moment they lay their head on the pillow. So one of the top areas that most people struggle with is getting to sleep. So one of the key things that you must do is make it a routine. See, the more consistent you are with your sleep, the easier it'll be for your body to get to sleep. You have your internal clock, the circadian rhythm that needs that consistency. It's like anybody with kids who knows when they go to bed at the same time, it becomes easier. Adults are the same way. The only thing is we've kind of told ourselves a lie that, oh, I'm gonna go to bed later tonight, I'll be fine, I'll catch up on sleep, which doesn't exist. And so get to bed at the same time every night. You will start to notice that change within a week. Essentially, what you're doing is you're stopping yourself from going into like a jet lag type of thing, where if you're going to bed really late one night and then the next day it's sleep in, and then the day after that it's something, your body is constantly switching time zones, and that's what's happening. So number 1, get to bed on time. Number 2, stimulants. If you're eating, drinking right before bed, you're on your phone, you're on the TV, or you're listening to TV, you're constantly in the zone of being thrown down into the state of hyper excitement, your body's gonna have a hard time going to sleep. One of the things that a lot of people recommend is wearing blue light glasses when you're doing work at night, if you're on a computer or on your cell phone. Cell phones now have the ability to go into a night mode or night shade, which means they're lowering the blue light frequency that usually comes from electronic devices. So that is right away something you can do that's already built into most of your devices. And if you are on a computer, anytime after 7 o'clock, wear the blue light glasses. You can buy them on Amazon, or a lot of stores now start to carry them. And they're super easy. Your kids and yourself can benefit from that one. The other one is gonna be food. The best science right now tells us that if you go to bed, you want to be going to bed on an emptier stomach. So 3 hours before you go to bed is the last time you want to eat. You want to give your body that time to process food, to digest it, and that way when you get to bed, your body's no longer figuring out how to digest food and move the nutrients around, is your body can focus on sleeping. So 3 hours before bed, no food, no snacks, go to bed. If you need water, you can have water, but no food, so that way your stomach is empty. Try that one. That one personally has helped me a ton. The other sleep hack is gonna be with sleeping positions. So a lot of people always ask me, especially being a chiropractor, what's the best sleeping position? This one might shock you that it's not necessarily on your back. In fact, if getting to sleep on your back irritates you, but you've been told the lie that you have to sleep on your back, that isn't true. You can sleep on your sides, you can do the half side, half stomach type of thing, or you can go sleep on your stomach. The reality is if you got a good mattress, a good pillow, and you support yourself in no matter what position you're in, then your body can, if it could get to sleep in that position, chances are it's a good position for you. So if you're a side sleeper, the gap between your shoulder and your head, that needs to be accounted for. So generally, side sleepers, you'll want to have a thicker pillow. But if you're a back sleeper, then you want to make sure that your head is coming back, it's going on the pillow, and then you're resting your head. So you don't necessarily want a thick pillow, you want something that's a little bit smaller. If you're a stomach sleeper or the half side, half stomach, take your pillow that would be this way, turn it this way, and then do it from the side. So it's almost like a body pillow. And that way you can hug it, you can get around that way. You don't have to buy these expensive cervical pillows that, you know, Swedish pillows or whatever that are contoured in a certain way. You don't have to do that. If you are in a back sleeper and you want that support, then some of those pillows are good. But don't try to fit into this box that just isn't you. And the last one, and this is the one, this is a great trick. This helps so many people over the years, and it's a really simple trick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a towel. So I'm just grabbing my towel here. So here, this towel, so all I did is I rolled it. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll it to your size. So if you're more petite, then I would just unroll a little bit and just have a little bit of that roll. But if you're someone like my size or even bigger, I would go for a full roll. And you're not going too hard, you're just going soft. What you're gonna do for about 10 to 15 minutes right before you go to bed, lay on the floor. Put this one behind your neck and aim more for your shoulders. So that way, when you lay down on this, your head comes back, your chin is in the air, and you're getting pushed from behind this way. So you're getting that arch. The key here is to get the arch in your neck. Now, if you do that and you lay in that position for 10 to 15 minutes, what's happening is on the inside of your body, stress is coming off your spine, it's coming off the muscles, it's coming off those posture muscles that you've probably been using all day. It's limiting that forward head carriage, so it's actually bringing you back. But on the inside of your spine, you have your spinal cord, and your spinal cord is now relaxing. It's the position that a lot of people like when they have neck problems or neck pain, and they like to do this. Well, what you're doing is you're generating that, and you're just using a towel at home. At about 10 to 15 minutes on that, your body's gonna have a deeper relaxation, and as soon as you're ready for bed, you climb into bed, lay down, and watch how quickly you'll fall asleep, usually within that 10 to 20 minutes. So I try that at home. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our page for more information that's coming your way. We'll talk to you soon.